Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The argue that crypto is how that change will happen. For crypto enthusiasts, using crypto isn't just a way to buy and sell things. By using crypto technology, they argue, society will become less dependent on government and corruption. That is, using crypto and getting as many people as possible to use it as much as possible. It's a way to change the world and take power away from government. Pushing an ideology, this belief about who should and should not have power in society embody an ideology an important part of the crypto ideology is that this change can't happen unless people use crypto, the technology and the ideology are tied together. For many of these enthusiasts recommended crypto to other people is not just a technology recommendation to them. Buying and selling crypto is a form of political and social activity. They argue that buying our crypto will remove corruption and change social to trust technology over government. This ideology is a more extreme version of technology libertarianism, which seeks to replace government with technology like technology libertarians through Bitcoins on technology to control society. But they focus on financial and economic control more than civil liberties and become promising. Crypto is part of this ideology. Crypto has often been compared with a religion. Crypto danger, an important aspect of any ideology is the way it emphasizes some danger and downplays other. True Bitcoins emphasize the problem with government corruption, but they don't downplay the financial risk of crypto. The price of Bitcoin fluctuation wildly, and many people have lost money buying crypto. Crypto wallets are difficult to understand and use, and fraudulent transactions are difficult to reverse. Crypto enthusiasts frequently download the technology risk to people and security. They also dismiss the infallible rule that government and corporation play in protecting people's money, driving insurance for bank account and return money that's been stolen. Belief in crypto's ability to create social change are also overstated. Crypto technologies don't necessarily eliminate corporation and avoid government control that are private corporate blockchain and many government regulations about cryptocurrencies as a C is simple using the technology as a naturality lead to the social change their enthusiasts. According to local news outlet, the parents on Wednesday the quiz the debut of placement the quiz an institutional investor charged with managing retirement assets in Canada's predominantly Spanish-speaking province of which growth of almost the entirely of $200 billion. Investment to trading crypto tens lender cruising network. And the move came just then month after the CDPQ and got a quote from Westcap made in joint investigation of $4 billion, with the unconscious at the purchase $3 billion at the time. Celsius boarding over 100 of places, $25 billion in total asset and a cumulative interest paid to deposit. However, is an unregular and centralized entity. A depositor's assets are not protected in the event of losses. nor as a firm subject to any restrictions on the use of leverage during the onset and the year's crypto winter. And the sudden and full crash of Bitcoin, BTC, and other digital assets left a $2 billion gap in Celsius net asset. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.